Hey guys, Amber from Motor King Madness, and today we're going to chop the fender and we're going to be replacing the turn signal with an American Adventure Lab Highline turn signal. First, we are going to be moving these two 10mm bolts right here. Alright, there are 6 push pins that we have to take out from the inner fender. So the inner fender is pretty much out. All we have to do is take them out from these little ridges right here. Just like that. Next, we are going to disconnect the turn signal from the wires here. So what you have to do is take out these two 10mm bolts, and then you can proceed taking off these clips that are right here. To take off the fender, you have to remove these clips, and by doing that, all you have to do is go from behind it, squeeze it, and give it a little pull. Next, we're going to be taking out the wiring that's here, and by doing that, all you have to do is take out these little push pins. Just like that. Next, we got to take out the turn signal, so by doing that, all you have to do is unscrew this, just like that. Next, we have to remove the bracket that's here. And how you do that is there's 3 bolts here that are T25 bolts, and then after you do that, all you have to do is pop it from the bracket here. Now, after taking out the bracket, there is 5 more T25s that you have to take off, and then you can actually start taking off the turn signal. Next, we got to pull off this whole inner liner here. We got the whole inner fender out. Now all we have to do is cut off these little tabs right here. Alright, so we cut off all those little tabs, and now all you have to do is align the little white tabs and pop it back into place. Tighten up these 13mm bolts. And then the last thing you have to do is plug in the wire. Alright, and this is the finished product, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this, and go ahead and make sure to hit that bell icon just to get notified every time I post a new video. Have a good night. Toodles!